In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to crochet the herringbone stitch using the single crochet technique. It's a very easy pattern. So now let's begin. We start with a slip knot and foundation chain of any number. It's up to the measurement and size of your project. The foundation chain completed. Now for the row number 2, first we will make one single crochet from the second chain from the hook. This is the number 1 and number 2. In this we will make one single crochet. Insert your hook, grab the yarn and take it out from the chain stitch. So here we have 2 loops on our hook. Now again yarn over and pull it through both loops. So the first single crochet has been completed. Now what we are going to do, as you see this yarn strand, this second one, we are going to insert our hook in this strand and immediately after in the next chain stitch. So I'll show you. Insert your hook, like this. We have insert. Now immediately just go to the next chain stitch. We insert it. Now grab the yarn and pull it through. So now how many loops do we have? 1, 2 and 3. We have 3 loops on our hook. Now again yarn over, and this time we are going to pull it all through these 3 loops. So here our first stitch completed. Now again I am going to tell you what we are going to do. As you see these 2 strands, right? In the second one we are again going to insert our hook, and immediately after this one we are going to insert our hook in the chain stitch. Come, I'll show you. Second strand, and now in the chain. Grab the yarn and take it out from the stitch. See, we have 1, 2, 3 loops. Now again grab the yarn and pull it through all these 3 loops. The second stitch completed. Now follow all the this pattern across the end. We have reached at the end of our row. So here we have our last stitch. So again we are going, see these 2 loops. In the second loop we are going to insert our hook, and immediately after this we are going to put our hook in the last chain stitch. Now again grab the yarn, 3 loops on our hook. Now again grab yarn over and grab the yarn and pull it all 3 loops. So this is how the first row completed. Now for the next row we are going to do chain 1. Chain 1. Now turn your work. In this very first stitch we are going to make simple 1 single crochet. See, 1 single crochet we have made. Now again as you see these 2 strands of yarn, in the second one we are going to insert our hook. Now in the next chain 3 loops on our hook. Now yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops. Again insert your hook in this strand and in the next chain stitch. Now grab your yarn, take it out from the stitch, 3 loops, again pull it through all 3 loops. So just keep following this pattern across. This is how the herringbone stitch using the single crochet technique. It's a very easy and beginner friendly pattern. Even beginner can do it so easily, and it can also be used in so many different projects like scarves, blankets, beanies, any project that you want to do. And also remember to follow and subscribe your crochet buddy Mary. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Until then, bye, stay blessed.